I made $280 in 1 week hosting walking tours on Airbnb experiences. Here's exactly what I did. First, what is Airbnb experiences? It's a section of Airbnb where locals host activities for tourists. Cooking classes, bike tours, art workshops, whatever. I chose walking tours because I don't have a car, can't cook fancy food, and don't have any special skills. But I know my city really well. Setting up. I created an experience called Hidden Gems Walking Tour. The pitch: I'll show you the spots locals actually go to, not the touristy stuff everyone knows about. The route: a 2-hour walk hitting 5 to 6 cool local spots, a vintage bookstore, a hole-in-the-wall taco place, street art alley, a rooftop view most tourists miss, and a local coffee shop. I priced it at $25 per person. Airbnb takes 20%, so I keep $20 per person. Submitted my experience for approval. Took about 5 days to get approved. Week 1. First 4 tours. Tour 1. Had 3 people sign up, a couple and a solo traveler. Met them downtown, walked the route, told stories about the neighborhood history, and pointed out cool details most people miss. 2 hours, made $60. They all left 5-star reviews. Tour 2. 4 people showed up. 1 family of 3 plus another solo traveler. Same route, slightly different stories based on what they seemed interested in. Made $80. More 5-star reviews. Tour 3. Just 2 people. A slower day, but still made $40. They were super into photography, so I showed them extra spots with good lighting. They tipped me $10 cash too, which was a nice surprise. Tour 4. Back up to 4 people. Made $80. By now, I had the route and stories down perfectly. Could basically do it on autopilot while still being engaging. Total for the week: 4 tours, 13 people total, $260 from Airbnb bookings plus $20 in tips, $280 total. Time invested: about 8 hours of actual tours, plus maybe 1 hour of prep and messaging. The beauty of this: once you create the experience and get it approved, bookings come in automatically. You just show up and walk. No inventory, no equipment, no startup costs. Just your knowledge of your city and ability to talk to people. The challenges: weather matters, rain will kill bookings. You need to live in a city that gets tourists, and you need to actually know interesting stuff about your area. But if you live in a decent-sized city and don't mind walking and talking, this is a legitimately easy way to make a few $100 per week. Follow Money Decoded for more unique side hustles you probably haven't thought of.